Back to maths. 2017 Q1. The number x, yeah? See, this is no longer 2017 Q1 in a vacuum. This is like 2017 Q1 after you've done 2016 Q2. You know what I'm saying? You should learn that lesson. Try some numbers. Also, this one you could just guess a base, right? There's no need to consider the whole problem in the most general form and then try to come up with not only the understanding of the question and the solution at the same time, right? That's fundamentally not mathematical. All right. Mathematics is about doing it in digestible pieces. Yeah. Unfortunately, everyone doesn't do it mathematically, and actually, the smarter people, a lot of them just actually digest the whole thing, which isn't very mathematical, but they get away with it. So x is 111 in base b. So let's just guess a base, right? B equals, okay, b can't be 2, right? Okay. It can't be, oh, it can't even be 3, right? So b minus 2 has to be bigger than 3, or equal to 3, right? So the base has to start at 5, yeah? So let's just guess a base 5, okay? Yeah? So it's 111 when written in base 5, yeah? And it's 212 when written in base 3. Okay, is this true? So we got 5 squared plus 5 plus 1. We have 3 squared plus, 2 times 3 squared plus 3 plus 2, right? Yes? I'm expecting some questions because if you actually fully understood the other question, why is it you can't do this question? You know? It's weird. 31 is not equal to, what is this? 18, 21, 23, right? Yes? And if you literally just kept trying bases, you get to the answer, right? Like, it's not gonna get to base, what, is it gonna get to base 10?
No.
Right.
How about we try base 7?
So if you just keep trying bases, you'll get it. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Alright, so you say try base 7. What if we do it another way to... That's not just trying, but people don't underestimate the value of trying. Yes?
The algebra way.
Okay, the algebra way. Okay, so the algebra way, it's like b squared plus b plus 1, right? Equals b minus 2 squared times 2 plus b minus 1 plus 2, right? Yes? Do you agree? So then, you don't agree?
What about like the b minus 1?
B minus 1.
Like, is it supposed
Oh, that's a b minus 1. Wait, is it b minus 2? What's the question say? B minus 2, yeah. Oh, someone was actually paying attention. You see the typo right there. Okay, so then you get, so b squared plus b plus 1, yeah? 2b squared, this is minus 4b, so it's minus 8b, plus 4, which is plus 8, plus b minus 2 plus 2, yeah? Okay, so if you're still waiting for me to do this, you're kind of a little bit passive, right? Because you can literally do all this yourself, yes? So this is b squared cancels with b squared. The b cancels with this b. The 2's cancel. The 1 cancels with 7. 8, you get 7. And then you're only left with minus 8b equals 0. Yes? Uh-huh. Okay, a quadratic, yeah? Do you know how to solve a quadratic? You don't have to.
And negative.
Yeah, you don't have to know how to solve 7 or negative 1. Or negative 7, 7 and 1, yeah. You don't have to know how to solve a quadratic, yeah? Because you just have to guess values of b, yes? Remember, guess, try, numbers, okay? That's the junior way.
Let's try 7 again.
Yes. Yes, we have quite the troll here, yes. Um, but basically, if you want to solve a quadratic, you want to look for numbers that multiply to 7 and add to 8, right? That's obviously 7 and 1. And it has to be a whole number, okay? So literally it has to be 7 and 1 because 7 is prime, yeah? Okay, so then you know it's 0 equals b minus 7, b minus 1. Okay, and you can't have 1 as the base, remember? It has to be at least 5. Okay, so then the base is 7, but you could have got that by just subbing in values of b in, right? Yeah? And where would you start? You'd probably start at like 6 or 7 because you've already tried 5, right?
Oh, it was actually 7.
Okay. And so, yeah, 7. So 7 satisfies this. So what does that mean for 7? Yeah, so 1, 1, 1 written in base 7 is equal to 2, 1, 2 written in base 5. Yeah? Is that true? So 7 squared plus 7 plus 1 equals 2 times 5 squared plus 5 plus 2. Is that true? And whatever they're equal to is the answer, right, that they're asking you for. This is 57. And this is 57. Hmm. That is what Lachlan wrote as well. Yeah, do you get that? See, like the thing I don't like is when people see it's actually like the people like, oh, I can't solve this equation, right? Or even worse, it's like they recognize it's a quadratic and they realize they can't solve quadratics and they're just like, oh, I can't do this. Yeah? You know what I'm saying?
Guessing is always viable.
But you can literally just guess numbers and try them. Yeah? Why is my TV off? Did you do anything? Alright, any questions? So there's no questions. I'd expect you to solve the 2015 then, yeah?
Oh.